Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create financial systems for long-term growth step by step clearly. Start by defining your financial goals. Identify your short-term and long-term objectives. Make these goals specific, measurable, and realistic. Next, assess your current financial situation. Gather all your financial statements, including income, expenses, assets, and liability. Calculate your net worth to get a clear picture of where you stand. Then, create a budget that aligns with your goals. List your income sources and categorize your expenses. Ensure you account for both fixed and variable costs. Develop a savings plan based on your budget. Determine how much you can realistically save each month. Set up automatic transfers to a savings account to make saving easier. After that, establish an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund will provide a safety net for unexpected expenses or income loss. Next, consider investing as a means for long-term growth. Research different investment options such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Diversify your investments to spread risk and increase potential returns. Then, set up a system for tracking your financial progress. Use financial software or apps to monitor your income, expenses, and investments. Review your financial position regularly to stay on track. Adjust your budget and goals as needed based on changes in your life or market conditions. Finally, educate yourself continuously about personal finance. Read books, take courses, or follow reputable financial blogs and podcasts. Stay informed about market trends and new investment opportunities. Implementing these steps will create a strong financial system bolstering your growth for years to come. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.